So mga kamads, mga kaibigan, this is an interview between Mother Ricky and Mama Rene. So bibigyan ko lang kayo ng konting context dun sa pag-uusapan nila. Alam niyo naman siguro yung SOGI bill, di ba? Now, the SOGI bill is an added law against for the benefit of the LGBTQ community. Now, sabi kasi sa constitution natin, those who have less in life should have more in law. So, yun yung kaya hindi ito mapasa-pasa kasi there are a lot of hurdles. Number one dyan is yung religious hurdles kasi most of the congressmen and most of the senators have a religious faction or a religious denomination na kanilang sinusuportahan. Not to mention, even if you're Muslim or Catholic, you would most likely see as yung pagiging gay as, as something not very religious. Now, this is the point kung sa tingin, isa sa mga point kung bakit sa tingin ko ay hindi tanggap yan ng ating sosyedad. And yung pangalawa naman is yung ating kultura kasi. Tingin ko kasi masyado pa tayong maaga para pag-usapan ng i-integrate sa batas natin yung SOGI bill when in fact there is already gender laws that protect yung mga LGBTQ. Halimbawa, yung bawal bastos law. And nalaman ko na yung VAUSTI law, pwede pala yan doon sa partner mo na LGBTQ din. So these are all the facts na gusto ko munang i-lay down bago natin to pakinggan. So, let's go.
Nandyan ka para sa kanya. Okay. Whatever comes, you'll just take it into your heart. Ganun lang.
So, ano po ang stand nyo sa same-sex marriage?
Kung hahabulin mo lamang yung marriage para sa legalities, dahil paghahati ng kayamanan or pagmamana ng properties, pwede naman kayo mag-uusap na.
Yes, kasi may legal partnership kasi na pwede nyong pag-usapan na it acts like a prenuptial na ito yung sa akin, ito yung sa'yo. Pwedeng ganun kasi yun kung gusto nyo lang ng kontrata. Hindi nyo kailangan ng full extent of marriage para bigyan kayo ng ganyang klaseng basbas. Okay, may mga work around in short. Kasi of course, when a man and a woman get married, mas madali, di ba? But the thing is, meron kasing religious implications yun or yung legal implications nun kasi sinabi sa ating constitution na ang pwede lang ikasal is babae and lalaki. Unless magkaroon tayo ng charter change, sa tingin ko hindi magbabago yun. Mahirap baguhin yun dito sa ating bansa. So, wag nating ipilit sa ngayon yan. Kailangan muna natin paintindi sa taong bayan kung kailangan ba talaga natin yan. I think the SOGI bill should only affect education. Okay? Konting integration lang. Tapos tingnan natin how people will react. Yung gender sensitivity na tinatawag. Mas gusto ko yun Kasi if you force your way in, lalong wala tayong matatapos. Kasi there is going to be tremendous pushback tuloy natin.
Maging partner na lang kayo sa aspect.
Legal aspect. Legal
yung
aspect.
marriage, sa babae at lalaki na lang.
Yun na nga
So, eto, medyo religious yung point ni Mama Ricky rito.
bigay mo na.
Huwag mo nang pakialaman yung gawa ng Diyos. Nandyan na
First time kong maririnig to
yan, di ba? That's overboarding. Hindi na
Diba?
tama yan.
Ito. 'Di ba? So narinig niyo yung point niya. Paano ba hindi ko baka magkamali kasi ako sa pronoun. Even she does not want to have yung parang everyone should be married just because they want to get married. Iba yung point ni Mama Ricky diyan, 'di ba? Very good. Actually, I agree with her. I think yung marriage should be between a man and a woman only unless otherwise stipulated ng ating constitution. Kasi nga, I don't wish to bend over backwards para sa isang grupo that has not yet rationalized their position. Kasi ang rationalization nila, they just want equality. Ang tanong lang, saan banda? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it in a very, very long period of time. Kasi open naman tayo na tanggap naman natin yung mga kagaya nila Mama Ricky, nila Vice Ganda, and all of these gay people na nakikita natin sa social media na or sa TV na we appreciate them. But the thing is, if they want equality, you need to first justify it kung saan nagkukulang ang society natin tungkol sa kanila. Is there discrimination? There could be. But the thing is, kulang pa tayo sa education. Yun yung sa tingin ko. That's why I think the SOGI bill should be just about education. Integration, konti lang, isang subject lang, gender sensitivity. Pagdating mo ng senior high, siguro ganun. No? Siguro ganun yung pinakamagandang entrada nito so that we can talk about it. Let's talk about it first. Tony Talks, tuloy natin.
Kasi na-interview ko si Senator Risa Ontiveros.
Ayan.
Siya ang isa sa nagpo-push ng SOGI bill.
Yan, dito ako medyo disagree kay Ma'am Risa eh. Kasi of course si Ma'am Risa very liberal or very progressive yung kanyang stand. But the thing is, dito kasi sa Pilipinas, you have to consider in the conservative factor. Ako, hindi ko masyadong gusto yan sa society natin. Kasi of course, ako, agnostic ako, di ba? Alam nyo naman yon. I'm not sure if there is a God. But the thing is, I understand that most of you na nakikinig sa akin, you all guys believe in a God. So, I don't want to invalidate yung kanyang position doon. That's why, pag nag-discuss ako, I'm trying to be more careful in relation to that. Okay? Dito rin dapat. Kasi most people here, hindi pa tanggap yung mga ganyang bagay na yan. Gets nyo? Matagal pa tayong kukwentuhan about sa rights ng LGBT. So, if I were to, again, uulit-ulitin ko yung position ko dyan. If I were to decide on this day, if this law should be passed, my answer is no. Kung ipapasa nyo yan, bawasan nyo. Just the yung educational factor muna. Tuloy natin.
Kayo.
At ako rin ang nagpatigil ng SOGI bill.
Bakit, Mother Risa?
Isa siya sa mga nag-a-anti-lobby. Bakit?
Ang sinabi ko, miski anong gawin sa mga bakla, bakla pa rin yan. Gilingin mo man yan, ang labas niyang baklang hamburger, walang pagbabago.
Hamburger.
So, does she imply that trans women are not women? Kasi, di ba? Kahit saan mo gilingin yan. So, ibig sabihin nun, when you are determined via genetics when you are born, is that what she's implying? I'm not sure. Okay, so maybe we can have a discussion dyan sa baba. Tuloy natin.
Naging hamburger. Okay.
Ako naman, sige, bigyan ng karapatan, bigyan ng puwang sila sa lipunan.
Well, if you are to consider the bawal bastos law, meron naman talaga. Kasi there are already gender sensitive laws. Okay. Pero to give them, I think yung parang another set of laws to protect them, parang it's too much for now. Okay, kasi hindi pa natin, hindi ko naman alam yung full movement nila. And it's a lifetime of education, yung mga ganyan. Or at least man lang, simulan natin yung discussion sa paaralan. Kung hindi nyo mai-integrate sa paaralan, there is no point in adding them in the society. Right? Diba? Lahat naman tayo, sigurado ko naman 99.9% ng nakikinig sa akin ngayon ay hindi abogado. Pero alam natin by virtue of our education what is right from wrong. 'Di ba? Ganun lang naman 'yun eh. Pagka nakakasuhan ka kasi or nakukulong ang isang tao kapag gumagawa ka ng wrong, 'di ba? So eto kasing pagiging LGBT rights ng LGBTQ, it's so hard to determine which one is right, which one is wrong. So let's integrate it first in our educational system, and then from there, let's work on it. Let's have lawmakers that understand you fully. Then etong mga trapo ngayon na they will never try to understand you in the way that they just want to understand yung kanilang baluarte, 'di ba? Yung mga botante nila. Diba? So, mas maganda nga, as I've mentioned, integrated first in schools. Tuloy natin.
Kaso lamang the problem with some gays, they ask for too much. Masyado
Aray.
entitled.
Tama na yung tinotolerate ang mga body.
Tama na yun.
That is more than acceptance. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Toleration is more than acceptance.
Grabe, ang lalim nun, ha? Totoo lang. Hanggang dun lang, di ba? Kasi ang gusto nung iba kasi is to have this SOGI bill that will actually give them more rights than a regular person. Gets nyo? Now, hindi ako particular dun sa mga, sa mga provisions ng batas na sinusulong nila. But, what I know is that bukod dun sa bawal bastos law, bukod dun sa cyber libel, bukod dun sa slander, defamation, and all of these mga sinasabi nila are yung SOGI bill, another additional na naman yon. That's why I think tama yung point nila dito. you are being tolerated. Actually, hindi nga lang tolerated eh. You are being in some places revered, 'di ba? Madaming natutuwa sa mga kabaklaan ngayon, 'di ba? As a form of entertainment, as a form of in the in the in the entertainment industry, even in politics, 'di ba? May mga LGBTQ na politiko in the academe, 'di ba? They are being accepted slowly. But then again, when you have kids and when you have these people na lumalaki pa lang, mas maganda siguro pag-usapan natin on that level. And then let's have a society na mas open sa ganyang topic. Kasi ngayon hindi eh. Yung botante ngayon, ang hindi masyado eh. Siguro yung mga Gen Z ngayon, yung mga millennials ngayon, we could have that talk. But what about yung mga Gen X? Yung mga matatanda sa Facebook, they will never have a talk like this. Tuloy natin.
Because ang harap mo, hindi pare-pareho. At lahat ng tao, hindi lahat yan tanggap nila ang
Yun,
mali.
exactly.
Sa bagay
Exactly
mo,
what I'm saying.
yung sarili
Exactly what
mo,
I'm saying. See?
Sa tamang sitwasyon. Like ako, I have seen like 6 presidents in my life. At lahat sila natulungan ko. Pero pagkaharap ko sila, naka-brass up yan, hindi ako nakabangos. You know? Nakasuit ako.
Siya yung nag-a-adjust
Hindi ako
sa
naka-glittery. Pero pagkakabadingan, pagpakabading tayo.
Kaya pala naka-glittery ka ngayon, naka-Versace
Ay, dahil
ka
ba
pa.
din ang kasama ko? Di ba? Dahil ba din ang kasama ko?
So, ganun
Kumbaga,
pala yun.
Nag-a-adjust
itatama
sila.
mo yung sarili mo sa tamang lugar.
Nung
Correct.
nagsisimula po kayo,
And that's really how equality works, right? Like for example, pag magkasama tayong dalawa, ikaw nakikinig ka sa akin, nasa kwarto ko kayo. Nakikinig kayo sa akin, we're just chilling here, di ba? Pero pagka, kunyari, magbubuhat tayo, syempre, iba yung suot natin. Kunyari, pupunta tayo sa isang event, of course, medyo magde-dress up tayo, di ba? That's exactly what equality means, in the simplest sense of the word. So, alam mo yun, sana let's not talk about the SOGI bill as an additional vector of rights para sa LGBT, but instead additional educational material for the society to understand and to respect the LGBTQ better. Yun lang naman yung sa akin for today, Mama Ricky and Mama Rene. Maraming salamat po, and Tony Talks. Gege mga lods.